promise. She's so self-conscious, got no idea what she's doing in college. The major that she majored in don't make no money, but she won't drop out, her parents will look at her funny. Now tell me that ain't insecure. Concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore, 3 years, ain't picked a career. She like, fuck it, I just stay down here and do hair, cause that's enough money to buy her a few pairs of new Airs, cause her baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious with that peer pressure, couldn't afford a car, so named the daughter Alexa. She had hair so long that it looked like weave, then she cut it all off, now it looked like Eve. Then she dealing with some issues that you can't believe. Single black female addicted to retail, and well, when it all falls down, I'm telling you all, it all falls down. Oh, when it all falls down. I'm telling you all, when it all falls down. Man, I promise, I'm so self-conscious. That's why you always see me with at least one of my watches. Rollies and Porsches done drove me crazy. I can't pronounce nothing past that Versace. Then I spent $400 on this, just to be like, dude, you ain't up on this. And I can't even go to the grocery store without some ones that's clean and a shirt with a team. It seems we live in the American dream, but the people highest up got the low self-esteem. The prettiest people do the ugliest things for the road to riches and diamond rings. We shine because they hate us, flies because they degrade us. We're trying to buy back our 40 acres, and for the paper, look how low we stoop. Even if you in the bench, just as a sucker in a coop. Oh wow, when it all falls down, I'm telling you all, it all falls down. Oh, when it all falls down.